notebook and my pen with my grocery list. I just like the satisfaction of marking it off as I get things done. It just is a visual thing to me. I like to make to-do lists at home and just marking them off. It just, I don't know, it helps me get things accomplished. Are any of you all like that? That cute bag boy again. I don't know how I keep getting the same one. Go on. You have a good evening. Today we took you along with us as we done some grocery shopping, and I wanted to show you what we brought back home today. If you hear any noise in the background, that's my grandbabies. Their heat pump's been tore up. They've been here with us about 5 days, and they decided to go ahead and just replace the whole unit. So we've got them here with us, and we're glad to have them. So I'll show you what we got. Let's get started. I've got the camera flipped around a little bit different than what I typically do, but start with our cereal. We've got some rice checks, some mini wheats, and some cocoa pebbles. These are the things that we like to eat as a snack at night, so that's a good thing. I got some pizza rolls. These my grandbaby loves for lunch. I got some lunch meat for us. This is a good quick snack. We got some pepper turkey, some Virginia brand ham, and some Colby cheese, which is yummy. I got some pepperoncinis that we'll use for a recipe, 2 cans of kernel corn, some au jus mix, which I'll use for a recipe with a roast. Have you all thought and looked at how much meat has went up lately? This is a, let's see, this is a 2.79 pound roast, and it was $22. I couldn't believe it. I got some croutons. My grandbaby loves those. Okay, here I've got a couple cake mixes and some icings for those cakes. Around here, when someone is sick or passes away in your family or your neighborhood, people will come together and they will fix food to drop off to the family. It helps make it a little bit easier on the family as they go through mourning, or just to help as they help to take care of their loved ones as they're sick. So I've got a couple of those that I need to fix for family, so I'll pick that stuff up. I'll be doing one red velvet and one German chocolate. And I'll have my grandbaby, so I just got the packaged ones. I got some apple juice boxes for my granddaughter. I picked up some crepes for my son that's here. I thought he could use those for breakfast. Chocolate and hazelnut rolled crepes. I don't know how good they are. My husband picked up
He said those crepes were
loves
absolutely
those.
delicious.
We got some sausage links and some bacon. This is my favorite bacon, the Wright's brand bacon. It's really good. My granddaughter loves bacon, so we fix that a lot. I got a pan of Sister Schubert's rolls for dinner one day. A can of buttermilk biscuits. Some cinnamon rolls. We'll make those for breakfast probably tomorrow with some sausage links. I got some sour cream to make some ranch dip for my granddaughter. She loves ranch dip with vegetables or chips. I bought some chicken. I'm going to be sharing a couple recipes with you all this week from this. I got some Hawaiian slider rolls, some bananas and apples. My grandbaby loves those for a snack. I also got some eggs. I always need those. I like boiled eggs for breakfast. I got a couple of these disposable cake pans. That way when you do take food to someone, you don't have to worry about them getting your dishes back to you. And they're very affordable, and they also come with a clear lid. I picked up 2 gallons of the nursery water to take care of our grandbaby. I got some sourdough bread for sandwiches. Some regular white Kern's bread for sandwiches my husband likes, and he got some hot dog buns, and he also picked up some Coca-Cola, and we got a bag of Ruffled chips for sandwiches. So that is our grocery haul from Food City. I'm gonna put this away. I'll do a time lapse.
Thanks for coming along with us today. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to do so. I hope you have a great day. God bless you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.